Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, statimusa.com, 704-966-1650. Right now we are going to do a care and maintenance of a Statim 5000 cassette video. Basically I'm going to show you how to replace a cassette seal, how to move the cassette in and out of the machine, what not to do. Right now we're going to go ahead and replace the cassette seal. To do that, we're going to need to get some sort of spatula or a tiny tip screwdriver, and we're going to have to put it in the corner here. If you are using a screwdriver, it's sharp, so be careful. But anyways, put it to the back where you can kind of feel the metal scratching, and then pull it out like that. And then we pull this seal out. The Statim 5000 seals should be replaced every 6 months or 500 cycles. This is a new cassette, so it's in pretty good shape. When you are storing it, you always want to try and store it flat. But right now, what I'm going to focus on is inside this track. Depending on how old your Statim 5000 is, you may have rust build up back here. So what I would get is a Dremel. Something like this works really good, and you can clean out the track, this, that, and the other thing, rinse it out real good. CLR cleans this track really good, but if you're using CLR, you have to really rinse it well because it will leave a residue. But anyways, so you clean that track, then you go and you get a seal. This seal is a manufacturer seal. They are the highest quality seals. The part number is in the link below. Basically, here's the seal. This is the back. Goes towards the back. It comes with a glue, or not a glue, but a lubricant that basically just makes it easier to put the seal in. You're going to take a little bit like that. Keep it. Take your finger. You're going to just lubricate the whole thing. The back first. You only really need about a quarter size. Get everything. Then what you're going to do is you're going to start in the back of the cassette. Get the two notches, the two raised rubber notches. They go right in the corner. Like that goes one. This goes the other. Then we're going to go back here. We're going to make sure that's in all the way. You want that flush, those little rivet there, those little rubber blockers flush inside of there. Then we are going to go to every corner. So you're going to take this corner and you're going to take the rubber and you're going to put it right there. Then you're going to put that one like right there. And you're going to push that in. Be careful not to push into the metal. You will gouge the seal, and then, you know, who knows how long it'll last. But then you're going to take it and you're going to squeeze it in like that. You're going to take your thumbs, and with the lubricant you're going to squeeze it towards the middle. That way it's all in flush. You're going to take your finger, go like that, and you're going to take this corner here in like that without scoring it. Again, you want everything just perfect like that so it doesn't move, it doesn't leak. Keep going. In this other corner, do the same thing, and then basically take your thumbs and work it out. Then you are going to go back here, finish that one off, and we're going to look at it, and we're going to make sure that everything, see how that's all weird? That's not going to work. So we got to get our thumb in here, work it around like that. If any of the seal is kind of crunched in, just get your finger under the lip, lubricate it like that. Lip. Anyways, cool. So now we got a new seal in. All right, so goes in nice and gently. You don't really want to pry it too far back because you'll bend the bracket back there. Close it nice and easy. In and out. This is a handle. Use this, carry this around. When you're storing it, you want to leave it flat. You don't want to leave it like this. Then it'll warp. Then it doesn't last as long. So you always want to leave it flat, engaged. Again, using the handle. This thing gets very hot as well. And then going in and out of this, we get it to about here, and then you push it in. There's a probe bracket back there. There's a temperature probe in the back that goes into the back of this cassette. If it gets slammed in, you may break it. Then it needs to come in for repair. But if you have any questions, give us a call, 704-966-1650. Quick little care and maintenance replacement seal video. Again, those seals should be replaced every 500 cycles or 6 months. Thank you.